Hey Gianni, here's a quick video guide to help you practice Crazy Train at home. I'm just going to split this up into specific little groups that you can work on separately, then you can work on putting them together. Okay, so starting from the pre-chorus, we've got 2nd fret E power chord, that's an F sharp power chord here. Open, back to an F sharp, open. D power chord on the 5th fret A string, then the harmonics on 5th fret A, 5th fret D. Same thing again. Then, instead of doing the harmonics, there's a little walk down melody. Consider that your first little part. So. Okay. Next part is 5th fret E power chord. That's an A power chord. Okay, we're keeping the power chord shape. We're going down to 4. 2, open E power chord, now to a single note on the 4th fret E. Then we pause because this is where the lead part would happen that we haven't learned yet. Okay, then back to this walk down, 5, 4, 2, open. Okay, that's our next part, so all together that was. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that gets us to our final part, the end of the chorus here. We go back to this F sharp, then 2, 4 single notes, open A, power chord, 4, 2, open E power chord, 2, 4. Okay. Again, F sharp, then F sharp, D power chord, E power chord on 7th fret. Okay, that whole part together was. That gets us back to the verse. All right, now I'm going to play everything together for you.